Hi friends, welcome to another episode of T.G.I.F Roast. Today we are joined by two amazing, beautiful people, as well as Eileen and Sharon.
Thank you.
Podcast today. So they'll be joining us for a couple episodes. We don't know how many. We'll let the producers decide on that. Yep, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our videos right now. Let's just rebuild the theme song, the thing right.
I'm quite excited.
You see this? You look up already.
Is it sex change?
He's like a real pharaoh, bro.
Oh my goodness.
This is Pamela Anderson, right?
That's not Pam.
That's not Pam lah, bro. Come on. Oh my goodness.
What's with the cheeks? Why do you always have puffy cheek?
Why?
Oh, no
She's cute. Wait, this.
Oh, the tiny baby boy.
What the f***?
Very common.
Hey, she looks like you.
It's a trap!
No way.
This is
No way. No way.
This Ned from Spider-Man.
Where's that guy?
Okay, what?
Okay, what?
Okay, what?
Okay, anyway, so guys, why do we have two of these very pretty and beautiful ladies here today? It's actually, one of them is a trendy, no. No.
Thank you.
Okay, but because both of these ladies has actually been through certain procedures, and I think we're gonna see some before and after pictures.
Okay, you can guess. You can try and guess what I did.
I know you nose. It doesn't count as
Teeth
veneers.
doesn't count, but I did my teeth too. Yeah.
Her eyes are the most obvious one that she cut. The first one you better was your eyes, right? Where your eyes were your eyes, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, your eyes bigger, but I thought it grew onto you.
What do you
What
mean?
the fuck?
No, really, dude. Last time you grow your double eyelids out or something.
Okay,
like that.
I did. Yes.
Yeah.
You know one thing growing up, right? We've always said that she has a very really Asian exotic look.
It's a phoenix.
Yeah, it's the phoenix line.
You know like what?
A bit like Lulu Chu.
Like Lulu Shu.
Singapore Asian porn star.
No, it's the Chinese
Oh,
angel.
Lucy Liu.
She's a porn star?
No, I mean she's
No,
hot.
she's not.
No, going along the lines.
Yeah,
Along the lines,
yeah.
yeah.
What's the first procedure?
The first ever procedure.
Yes.
Double eyelid.
Okay, fair. Now I totally understand. I think if
And I just wanted to make my eyes bigger. Like I don't like the phoenix eyes, even though a lot of people always say you have very exotic eyes, but I don't like it.
You've tried opening it.
Yeah, and you know how small my eyes were back then,
but
right?
they were
Yeah.
like, they were like sultry sexy.
Yeah, but I don't like it. I want like bigger eyes.
You know, like those round Korean eyes.
You mean this eyes? On a scale of 1 to 10, right? 1 being the least amount of pain and then 10 being the most painful, right? How painful is this?
It was quite painful because I was awake when I did it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You see them?
Okay, so I did it at a home base, which is not
What the?
Yeah.
Hey,
No,
that
it's
is
not.
some ghetto shit.
Hold on.
That's some ghetto.
I don't know if it's legal, but it's cheaper, right? Obviously.
来，小妹躺这边。
Okay, so basically why is it so expensive is the anesthesia. So what I did is not GA, it's LA. So I was awake and at some parts I have to open my eyes and I have to look down. I have to open my eyes but look down because they were stitching like on top, right? So
Oh,
yeah, so
That
I was
sounds
just
damn painful.
awake.
Ouch.
I felt what she was doing
Ouch.
and it lasted quite a while because I told her I wanted a very deep set eye. So I say go and double do it. So she
Double stitch.
Yeah.
First stitch.
Yeah, so she double stitched it. So it took extra time and it was a lot more painful and my eyes were like very swollen by the time she was done with it. So it was it was painful lah.
So one of the things you did that, you share with us.
I did my nose as well. So that wasn't really painful because it's GA. You really have to be knocked out for that. So I didn't feel anything. I just went in and I woke up. I think I sneezed in the middle of the so my nose was open and apparently like I sneezed. So the surgeons were like, yeah. Does my nose look fake to you? Like does it
Normal.
It looks very perfect actually.
does it look like it's like you look at me and you know that it's fake?
No.
That's why it's
I
too
think it's
perfect.
makeup.
Too perfect.
I think it's makeup.
Yeah.
Like too
But
much
I think-
pressure.
Yeah,
Can you do this?
I can't.
No, it's fake already.
When you have a flu,
does
like how you sneeze.
you sneeze, the nose will drop out.
You cannot
Yeah, you cannot really sleep.
Take out first.
How do you sleep your nose?
Use Q-tip. But
Oh
then-
my
So you
god,
cannot
you
use
can't take your
your
nose ah.
As in, you can lah, you can still fit lah. But I don't lah.
Look at the camera.
So what? During recovery, you obviously cannot do that. So every day you need to take the
that
Q-tip
sucks.
to like go and roll it out. So the first night after the nose job, I went to clean it and then I pull out this like long and huge bloody booger. Oh, damn show.
Damn shiok, the feeling damn shiok. Is there anything that you still want to do? And you know why would you want to do it?
I want to do the chin one, but I don't think I will do it. The jaw.
Shave
But
the
shave the
jaw.
bone, right?
Yeah. Because I don't think they will do it for you unless you need it medically because it's very risky. Like incredibly risky and super painful.
Wait. Why? You want a sharper?
Chin.
Yeah.
Compared to all of us here right now,
You have the sharpest chin
I'm
already.
pretty sure your chin is the
But it can
sharpest.
still be smaller.
Smaller.
I mean, it can always be smaller. Everyone also wish some things are bigger, but
Yeah.
you
Speaking from experience.
Okay,
Shit from experience,
so
brother.
that is what I will want to do if it's say like painless and free, but I probably won't do it because it is.
you ever see the one they wear that is like suspension?
But I don't think it works though.
It doesn't work lah.
Yeah.
but
The one the one Ronaldo used
You
that.
keep doing.
I don't know what Ronaldo is. Oh, no.
You know, you bite on the apparatus, and I think with the wings, it just keep moving your head up and down.
Sharon, what have you done? Have you done anything?
Not plastic surgery. I never changed anything drastic. I tried Botox, fillers, HIFU.
What's hypho?
It's like waifu but with fish.
So they use like this machine, right? And then they will like, you know, like la your pee go up like that.
Then
So
what
it's
is it?
like-
Oh, is it the one with the two bubbles?
It gives you like
What is
yes,
this?
I saw that. I saw on Taobao the person.
Hey, can you just in layman terms, tell us what are Botox and what are fillers? Coming from experience from you guys, ladies.
Botox
Botox is to shrink, fillers
Yeah.
is to expand.
Oh, is
is
it?
to
Yeah,
reduce
so
something.
fillers is to plus and Botox is to minus.
Will you Botox yourself?
You wouldn't let anyone inject anything
Bro.
in your
So, straight up, muscle gone, no nerves off
Can't go up and
No, your muscle get paralyzed.
Yeah, dude, straight away no muscle
Where did you do your Botox? Which part? I mean,
I did my under eye before, my forehead. See this thing?
oh,
By right, I shouldn't have this.
See,
Like
see,
when you do your Botox, right,
Uh-huh.
over here, you can't really have, you won't have like all
then
the
how
brown
will
line.
then how will anyone know when you're angry?
By the tone
I'm angry already.
No, but you're
Like,
angry
you
at
know,
it.
like,
Yeah.
Stop it,
Stop it Okay, so girls, actually, why we are here today, we wanted to ask for people that went through invasive and as much as non-invasive and all kinds of different surgeries and procedures, what do you think of non-invasive, no downtime, no pain procedures?
I want.
it will be
I think
good,
you need, not you want.
it's convenient. It's just,
Yeah.
it's really just convenient.
We have been through a couple of treatments ourselves. It has done some positives for us. You know, so
I'm more handsome.
Can you do under his eyebrow? Drop hair.
you have your microphone, your hair. But anyway,
Are you serious?
no, to draw you so nice.
Two lines, just nice.
Okay, how you describe all these treatments? Like, because it's all non-invasive, alright?
From the effects that I felt, it's a little sting, but the effects that I received afterwards was quite worth it.
I only went for the chemotherapy. So it puts your body in like fight or flight mode. So your heart rate increase, actually help you burn off calories, increase your metabolism. And yeah.
Horror stories. Horror.
In Thailand, there's this thing called miso fat, where
I
you
did
can
that.
like remove the fats in your chin, plus sharpening your jaws. And then end up, right, for the next 6 months, right, I look like this.
What's the treatment called again?
Miso fat.
That's what Jackie says when he sees the mirror. Oh, he's so fat.
I don't think I have a lot of horror stories. It's just like, okay, like you said, all the blood, right? So when I do Botox fillers, I'll have a lot of blood, a lot of swelling, and I had to redo my eyes. So I stitched my eyes twice because the first time it was so swollen that it wasn't accurate anymore, like where she had to stitch it. So when it recovered, I realized that it was asymmetrical. So I had to do it again. So I
And the
did
same person?
Yeah, so I
You still trusted the auntie ah?
Is it like 180-day guarantee, that kind of thing?
No, I did it like after a year because I disappeared. I couldn't do anything.
Oh god,
So
sorry, I have it redo.
yeah, so I came back. Then I said, it's asymmetrical. Then she said, then why don't you come back and I'll redo it for you?
It's really like you kind of like the rock right?
No, it's a very subtle thing. Only I will notice. I don't think you will notice if you looked at me back then. Yeah,
Okay.
but obviously I look at the mirror, I can see what is wrong and what I don't like about it.
Like what happened?
No, it's the eyelid. It's the
Oh,
eyelid
eyelid,
that is at a different height.
So guys, right now we're gonna see a couple of videos of people before and after non-invasive treatments.
Oh, I like
Free.
this.
Oh!
Trust me, we also like this. Wow, the nose.
The forehead.
This one obvious eh.
Now I want
Oh my
it.
god, this look like.
Yeah, how do you do a nose?
But how is it possible?
The doctor is in prison again.
Well, I think we can achieve that kind of results for non-invasive treatment. I mean, it might not be as such a stark difference like overnight, but slowly build into what you want, and I think it's fair game. And I think price wise also.
I'm guessing it will be cheaper.
Right?
And it's easier to do it in the sense that you don't need to say like apply leave if you want to go and do plastic surgery because there's a downtime and there's a lot of blood that some people can't stand or the pain.
And it won't be like today I go holiday, tomorrow I come back I look different. Then people like, wow, brother, what happened?
No, I'll come back next day with beads.
Yeah,
I'm
like
sure
what?
everybody will notice the difference.
Yeah, like what?
Energy.
So I really appreciate, Eileen and Sharon that you'll come out and share.
I think
There's no energy.
energy, bro.
Okay guys, we're gonna wrap up the episode. Thank you ladies. We really appreciate your sharing today.
Thanks
Your
for having
lovely sharing from the lovely ladies and the 3 fairies also.
Aw.
You're not the fairy. This is you're not the fairy. Yeah, I'm the weird.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe and ring the notification bell.
小铃铛这里啊。
Not that much.
You see
Thanks for
Alright,
watching.
see you. Bye.